Hi, it's Kyle Chester-Marsden and welcome to our how-to series here at Fieldpiece Instruments. Today I'll be showing you how to replace the hose holders on the Fieldpiece digital manifolds. Okay, so the first thing to mention is that the replaceable hose holders are only compatible with the SM382V and SM482V SMAN refrigerant manifold models. Right out of the box, the manifolds come with the hose holders installed, however these can be replaced should this be needed. Now to do so, we can identify that each hose holder is held in position with a crosshead screw that can be removed using a crosshead screwdriver. If we remove this screw, the hose holders can be easily removed and replaced. Now by default, the hose holders are 1/4 inch in size on both the low side and high side of the manifold. However, these can be replaced with the 5/16 inch hose holder that come included with the product. Alternatively, a replacement hose holder kit, part number RSM82H, will include 4 1/4 inch hose holders, 1 3/8 inch hose holder, and 2 5/16 inch hose holders. And so to fit one of these onto the manifold, it's simply a case of positioning the replacement and reattaching using the screw and included O-ring. So that's how to replace the hose holders on the Fieldpiece SMAN manifolds. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more great videos.